let me start, guys. OBS is disconnected, saying like why now is connected or what is happening here. It's fine. No, it's fine. No, it's fine, correct. Okay, let's start, guys. So where we are, the time. The time we'll have to back from here, and we completed, right, our shot. Now we will start that array iterations, JavaScript array iterations. What is the array iterations, guys? So the for each methods calls the functions, a call back functions once for each array statement. So what I'll be do here, copy in this guy, and I'll just type 10 dd. I'll type 9 dd, 5 dd. Okay, fine. It's mean that I'm for 9 times I'm deleting the number of lines, guys, in a Linux. Okay, so let me start the editor. It's done, right? We completed this guy, and vi start and end of the line. Okay, so in this between only we will do this one. Linux start and end of the line also. Okay, so let's start, guys. If I copy this guy, copy, and I'll just Control Shift V, and what I'll be do, yeah, till here I'll for inserting the data I have to put I, and I'll comment this to and for down we have put for cursor down we have to use J, and using insert. Right now I have I'll what I'll be do, now I will be used for writing in this line only, like, so I put I, and I'll give like this. For commenting the code we have to use this guy. Okay, fine. Again I so right now it's done. Okay, so if I Control Shift A, no, if I try to get the out, I'm not getting anything. This is the only my HTML file, whatever written is there, buttons and all. And now what I'll be do here, so number dot for each my functions. What is this number dot for each my function? Number is my variable, for each is what? For each is a function, and it's in parameter we passes the function name. So here in this I'm clear with in this line, and again here I created one function, and how how we can create in we can create a function in JavaScript, function name, and started parenthesis inside parentheses we pass the parameters. So in these parameters we passes value, index and array. So till here everyone, I think clear with this, everyone is clear. Right now what I'll be do, everyone understand till here, like curly braces, start of curly braces of this. Okay, so next what I'll be do here, so in this line what is given, so we learn, right, text is our variable already be defined in with let, and in text we uses plus operator. Plus operators means text has some value, it will be include that also, and value has the value has some data, it will be add, like suppose value has the, suppose there is a 5 inside of value, place of value it is 5, so and so it will be considered like text value plus 5. Suppose text has 1 and in value in the place of the value be just 5, so it should be 6. Right now what I'll be do here, so what will be the get, we will get what we will be the get the answer here right now. Any idea, guys? Any idea you have for what we will be get the answer here? So let me check here. I'm getting nothing else, right? In these are the only. So why I'm not getting any answer here? So let me check with the console. It's fine. The code is fine, but let me check with here full code of this. So I'm getting this full of code here and demo. So I am not getting the proper answer of this BR and demo the HTML text. Okay, fine. So see, we didn't use any document.file, right? So this didn't we use anywhere. Okay, so line number here only I will just keep O for one line of space. For deleting that current cursor we just use normal X, and I'll put Ctrl Shift V and just V. Now using displaying of the output, we just used document dot get element by ID. Okay, and what I'll be do, insert, and I'll back from the program and save that program. Now I'll be refresh, so we are getting the output, right? So what is that? It is nothing but for each, it's iterating the every containing all the index. It is iterating all the index. Okay. So here it is only value is there. So let me check with only value what we will be get, guys. So I'll come down with the, and I'll just I'll just change something here from here, and what I'll be do, and save the program and I will again refresh. So I'm getting same, right? Now see, we are getting some same. Now next what I will do, so we get to know about how the for each is nothing but the type of loop only, and it is retrieving the data of containing arrays and by iterating the data. So using map, so let's go inside this program. So what I will be do, I'll come back here and I'll type simply A, and I will give enter, and I will give insert and I will give control shift V of this line of code, and I just used here what I used, and I'll for come down we have to use J 4K. I have to just comment out these sections, guys, and I'll just put I for writing this code sections, and I have insert, I'll keep down again I'll is fine, right? And map function we has added, and now we will save this guy and try to get the output of this particular line of code. Oh, okay, so we are not we have not like wait, so we are not getting any output, guys. See, so we have an error, line number 2. So so we just added here line number 1, right? So here I have to use numbers only. I didn't specify anywhere that variable name of numbers 1. I'll just back, and again here again I will refresh. So this is what happened. Text is not defined. Okay, it's here the text is not defined. So what is our just I will put the number for current data delete, we have to use delete, and I'll just put the numbers 2. Okay, then insert, I'll get down, and I'll change something here. I'll just numbers 2. Okay, so I'm not getting the proper answer, guys, here. So what is happening here? I'll just and current data I will delete. Okay, fine. I'll just give the numbers. So it's not give me able to write the code properly, guys. So let me check what is the issue happening here. I have just write I equal, I'll delete this guy, and I'll back to again here numbers. So again this happening. Numbers 2. I'll back from here, and I'll save this guy. See, again I'm getting can't access the logical declarations numbers 2. So what happened here? Number 2. So I have some problem with our program only. So what is the problem? We just given type okay. In map happen, in map functions, how they used the map. Let me run the properly this. Okay, just guys. Okay, fine. So we just what is the value of all the value, we will write like this, and value return into 2. Okay, what I will do, this function only I will copy. From here I'll just give 3 dd 2 dd. Okay, fine. Control shift B, So if I am able to delete, so we are getting that 98, 18, 32 and 50. So it is exact answer, right? Exact. But let me learn something here. Map. The method creates a new array by performing a function on each array element. The map doesn't not execute the functions for the array element without values. Without values, the map method does not change the original array. The example of multiple each array values is 2. So it is just iterate plus for every numbers of array and number of index, it's multiplied, right? Next, guys, so what I'll be doing here next, it's fine now. Come back here, and what is not that the function of text3 argument already, item value, item index, and array itself. When at all callback function use only the value parameter, the index and array parameter can be omitted. So when only using with value, we'll go with value, guys, only here. Let me check with this guy. See, fine, I'm getting the answer. Now JavaScript flat map. What is that flat map, guys? So let me check. So what is a flat map? What is a flat map here? Flat map method first map all the elements of an array and then creates a new array by flattening of the array. So flat map, we just create one cursor like this. So what I'll be do in numbers 2, I'll just like this, I'll put here and here this in this guy here. I'll like delete, Control Shift D simply, and let me check with this program. I'll just array new, I'll just print and just I will comment out this 2. What I'll do here, using this only, I'll delete 2, fine, numbers will be get, and I'll back from here and I'll just refresh my program here using Control R. See, I'm getting an error, my array is not defined. So what is where I'm getting my array is not defined. So where is that my array? My array is not defined. My array is not defined. Why my array is not defined? Numbers 2 I'm given, right? My array is not defined. So using here in my array is not variable here, right? I'll just numbers I'll put. So why I'm not, it's not give me to write, guys? Any guess, any idea you have? So I'll just type U. Okay, I'll type insert and I'll give, and here I'll just write numbers. Okay, again I am not, I'll put U, I'll insert. Okay, here I'll just put insert numbers, I'll type numbers, fine, I'll give insert and back and I will refresh. Right now it will be work. Okay, I'm getting that all the answers 90, same things what we use with map, and same thing we have done here in flat map is the functions, inbuilt function, and into we just given the parameter pass the x variable here, and that x just like it is a index we passing, and x into 2 with every index value it will be calculate the number of 2. Okay, it is calculate the number of 2, so we will be get the proper answer here. Next, what is that? Java array filter. What is this array filter? Filter is nothing but same only, guys. So I'll just copy this particular line of code and I'll back down and I'll just give A and O. I'll just put U. Now will be good. A and give enter, and I'll just give answer like this. And what is that? My function value and value as an 18 as a object. And what I'll be do? I'll just okay, fine. I'll go up, and what I will be do here, I'll just give one insert and comment this code. So numbers 2 we don't have, right? And I'll come back again and insert. I'll come back here and I'll just put here. I'll put here numbers insert. Fine. Insert. And I'll give like this, and see. So now it will be it's search for what filter function, right? Well, look, what I'll be doing, copy this guy, Control Shift V, and here I'll just using that numbers is right, numbers here I have to get and I'll back again and I'll put insert and OVER over 18. Okay, over 18. I'll just what I will give insert and save and try to run this program. So what I'll be get here, let's check, guys. See, 45 and 25. So 45 and 25, why we are getting 25 and 45 here? So 25 and 45 is the object. These two objects are these two objects are more than 18. Okay, and here if I give value there, so like this, if I put here and try to remove this guys and try to run, same answer we will get. Okay, and value and filter to value and reduce. What is the reduce functions? Let me tell you, guys. So what is the reduce? Reduce method runs functions on each array of element to produce reduce and single value. Reduce method works from the left to right in the array. So also reduce right, and reduce method does not reduce the original array. And the example of find something of new array, like everything should be same. What I will do, I'll copy this guy, come back here, and again I will insert and give comment of this code, and again I will delete, I'll copy paste and get down. Numbers is there, right? I'll type insert here. I'll be get some. Fine, we just get some, and and here I'll give this line of code. I will be just put, and what I'll be do here, so I'll just give here 3dd. So it is not in that mode of deleting, so now it will be delete 3dd. Okay, fine. Control C B, I just given written here, and what is there, I'll back from the code and just try to run this particular code. So what I'm getting the 99. Why I'm getting 99 here? So reduces functions are, why I'm getting 99 here? See, total my functions reduce the sum of all the numbers. So it is sum of all the numbers. Whatever the index has the numbers, it will be sum all the numbers. Okay, fine. If we have to back from here, and again I'll come back, and it's done, right? Calculate, reduce is done, and reduce right. What is that? Reduce left, not only reduce right. Reduce right means what? 99 only, no? So what is that? So 45, 4, 9, 16 and 25, 50. Same, 99 is getting, right? So what I'll be do here, I'll just, everything is same, no? I'll just copy this guy, and I'll copy this guy, and here in this particular line of code, I'll just delete. What I'll be do, paste. I pasted the code, and I'll back, and just yeah, let me refresh this guy. Same answer we will get. So fine. So here the note that the functions take 4 arguments total: the initial value, previously returned value, the item value, the item index, the array itself. So what is JavaScript array every? Array every means what? Array every method checks all the array values, pass a test. So this example checks all the array value are larger than 18. So we are getting, no. So we are let me copy in this code, guys, and I'll come back down, and what I'll be do, insert, and I'll give comment of this. I'll again put this guy, insert, and I'll put my code here spindly, and again I'll back, and this K, I'll put K, so it is in writing mode. I'll just put the, what is that, K, not K, JK. For J it's down, for K it's up. So I'll remove this guy, and I'll type insert here, insert, and insert means not I, or no, not insert button, only I button, over. So it is not over, it is all over. Insert, we have to delete capital A, no, small a. So it's throwing me error, right, guys? Okay, insert all capital over 18. Fine. This is the where our code is. Okay, so insert will come down to total value. What is this? I'll just copy this guy, and I'll go up, and 3dd. I'll just put like, I'll come down, line for last time capital I use enter, control shift B, and we'll back WQ. So not for deleting this guy itself. Now I'll back again, I'll refresh the code. Let's check what I'll be get here. Some false. It's showing me a false. 18 is over 18 is false. Fine, everything is fine, guys. Now I'll delete these all. Come down and some methods. So what is some methods there? I'll just copy this one and I'll insert and comment out, and again insert and I'll go up and control shift D, and I'll control shift insert. I'll go down, it's delete function, come down, and what is there? Okay, I'll copy this guy and DD. Okay, fine. Control shift V, and it's fine. No, insert. I'll go up like this, and what is the sum over 18? Na? So I'll come here. I'll put insert. I'll delete, and what I'll be type? Sum. S is not working, guys. Over we'll just put U. It's not working. Okay, have insert SOME sum, capital O where. So fine, go back here, capital A, again insert button you have to use. Let's see and run the program, guys. So please, we have some over 18 is not there. So what is that? What it is for? Replacing the code we have to use here. Sum over is the capital word here. So for R, and I will just replace with O. It's done, and I'll type back from here and capital A, and just L again. No, what I'll be do, just wait, guys. What I'll be do here from, let me copy, I'll be able to wait. I just till here. I'll fine. What is we do now? This is a 4. I'm getting the over is true. Sum over 18 is true. It is over the 18, right? Oh, now what is form and what is the key? It is the entire method with method. Fine, 4 or 5 is there. Support form method is there, right? So let me check with what is the O. So we completed this O for the space, right? One line of space. Okay, and capital O is the instead of the cursor, cursor will be there only, and it will be give one line of space. And no, not like that. Capital O. These signs can be added in another command to perform certain functions. For the do will be delete, and character between current character and start with line, and $D$ will delete. So the character between current character and end of the line, 0 signs brings you the start of the current line. So the current line. Okay, so if the cursor is there, and I'll put this 0 and O sign O, so it is starting of the line. The cursor will be moved towards the starting of the line. So the sign brings you to the start of the current line, and dollar sign brings you to the end of the line. So dollar is the end of the line, and do is D0. Combine sign 0 with D command enables the delete start of the line and current character. Dollar delete dollar. Okay guys, get to know. I just many times I using D only. I will be use this delete dollar. Okay, fine. So form is done, no? So what I'll be do here, I'll copy this to line and I'll add dollar delete. I will use. Fine. ABCDEFGH. And why I'm getting ABCDEFGH? Because we have contains one string type of data. Okay, array dot form string type of data, and we are getting in data in as like this. Okay, fine. Next, support. Form is done, no? Support. What is the support here? We declare two variables. One variable says array type of data, and second variable we have just using that key method. Key method means key build functions of JavaScript, and after that we just declare one let variable, and inside that let variable we just simply given an empty text, and okay, Ctrl Shift B and LWQ and back to again. So always is happening, guys, with me. I am getting 1 2 3 4. Fine. I have to delete this one. I have to delete this one, and let me type slash. I am getting the output proper. So we just, what are the keywords are there? Let me check with what is that dollar, right? Only dollar. What is happening? Let me check, guys. I have a dollar. I have just used slash dollar. So end of the line, it's fine. End of the line, I'm going D0 is right. So D0 nothing. So we will not save, guys. Okay, if we come back, see, we are getting the same output, and our 1 2 3 4. So we are just printing our what text has the what text. Let X is the key is what key. We just adding the key means it is printing the index is the key only here. So let me learn this. Array.key is method returns the array of iterator. Okay, one by iterator object, and the key is of an array. Support and entires. What is the entire, guys? Let me check. Copy and come with this part, and O or 0. Let me check. I'll just give 0. If I put 0, then the cursor should move towards the line, first line of starting of the line. Okay, now is done. Dollar D is done. Fine. So what I'll be do here, and copy it and paste, right, and I'll back and I'll run this program. So what I'm getting, I will just check here, same only. Oh, I'm getting this, not this. I'll just Control C V and back from here, and I'll just refresh, and I will get that all the key with our value, all the array objects. Let me check with this guy. The entire is done. What is the width method, guys? Here, what is width method? Width. So added the array width method is a safe way to update elements in an array without altering the original array. Okay, copy this guy, and what I'll do, I'll type 4dd 2dd. Okay, fine. So we also get to know how we can do. So January, February, March, we have, so months have the collection of array data, and my months has the months dot with 2 March. We just added, replace that March, MAR replace with March, index of 2. Fine. An array spared, the operator dot operator expand the iterable like an array, more elements into more elements. Let me check with this. We given 4 conditions, array 4 variables, all are the array type of variable data types, and we will give, I'll just print, check, I'm getting all those. January, March, April, May, June, okay, fine. So let me check what is this. Operator expand the an iterator like into a more elements. So see what is this. See guys, all the 4 arrays, right? Const here has what? Just dot q1 dot q2 dot q3. Simply we can put that display element dot id for displaying the in the front in the web page, and fine. So guys, till here we done, and we will go for the next array reference. Array reference means what? Constant, right? Const. We will learn about that const here. So just give me guys sometimes. Have to eat food, so I'm just stopping here, and I will get back to you again.